Hello everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 1994 Audi Avant RS2. So this is number 5 out of 5 from Hot Wheels wagons, number 228 from 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is supposed to be the end case Super Treasure Hunt, but this one is basically not. This is just a plain black version, not the Spectra Flame blackish gray. That one is the Super Treasure Hunt. This one is just a plain metallic black, which absolutely looks clean and is approved by me 100%. So this is basically the wagon RS. Hold on, is it the RS2? I'm confused between the RS2 and RS6. So it turns out this is the RS2. So this is basically a wagon RS2, which sort of looks bulky. The car seems bulky. Oh, I actually did a review of this before. The blue version, which I did a review of previously, and now it's black again. I mean, not again, of course. I mean, now it's returned in black. Let's take a look at the car. Now this looks absolutely clean. You have the disc wheels in chrome silver, absolutely clean side. Looks pretty nice. The windows, I'm not sure if they're tinted. No. Okay, they're a bit tinted, to my surprise. Here's the front of the car. You have some headlights which are highly detailed right there. I think here's the what do you call this? The rain lights. Yeah, the rain lights. You have the license plate, which basically they're lazy to do any text on it, so it's just a plain white license plate. You have the Audi logo right there. I'm not sure what's after that, then next to it. Not sure what it is. Moving on to the back, you have the Audi logo. You have that mysterious logo again. You have some massive rear lights, one straight, and then you have the license plate, which has no text on it. Moving on to the back, here we have 94 Audi Avant RS2, made in Malaysia, 2020 Mattel. I don't know why is it called Audi Avant RS2, not Audi RS2 Avant. Because like with the RS6, they called it RS6 Avant, not Avant RS6. I'm not sure why is this turned around. But in my opinion, this car, just clean. If you see it, you definitely need to buy it, because black cars in black, or maybe wagons, or maybe even SUVs in black, just look insane. No matter they're like in a glossy texture, or maybe in a metallic texture, or maybe even matte, like matte black. If they come in black, they have to be insanely clean and insanely looking nice. And this is one of the wagons which are insanely nice in this metallic black. And there you go, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.